Hello lovely, how are you all? Today I'm going to talk about mixed number. What is mixed number? Mixed number is made up of a whole number and a fraction. And as we learned from previous lesson that a fraction consists of a numerator and denominator. But today we have mixed number. What is a mixed number? Write a mixed number for each picture. For example A, how we gonna write a mixed number for this picture? Now, a mixed number consists of a whole number and a fraction. What is a whole number? Here I have two squares. One square, all shaded parts. So I write one as a whole number. And other square, I'm gonna write the fraction as a numerator for shaded part. I have one shaded part, so I write 1, and the denominator is the parts of the square. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, and I read it as 1 and 1/4. On example B, I have 1, 2, 3 circles. How I'm gonna write a mixed number for this model? I have 2 circles or shaded parts, so I write 2. And here I'm gonna write the fraction as 2 shaded part for the numerator, and the denominator the parts of the circle. How many parts? 1 2 3 parts. اللي بدي أحكي عنه هو الأعداد الكسرية. الأعداد الكسرية اللي تتكون من عدد صحيح وعدد كسري. عدد الصحيح عبارة عن الأجزاء اللي هي كلياتها ملونة. I have 3 rectangles all shaded part. 1 2 3 rectangles. هذا راح يكون العدد الصحيح. والعدد الكسري راح يكون عدد الأجزاء الملونة. جزء واحد ملون. هاي for numerator, and for denominator the parts of the rectangle 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on for all other examples, and we read it as 3 and 1/6. Here we have sometimes the numerator is greater than the denominator. In this case we have to use a division. Name a fraction greater than 1. I have here 15 divided by 4. I have to change fraction to mixed number. I have to use division. Now I have 15 divided by 4. 15 divided by 4 equal what? 4 times what equal 15, or number nearest to 15 is 3. Now 4 times 3 is equal to 12, minus 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now the answer is 3, and remainder is equal to 3. Now how I'm gonna change 15 divided by 4 to mixed number? I write the quotient 3 as a whole number, and I write the remainder for the numerator, and the denominator is 4. I write 4 as it is. يعني راح أغير الكسر أسوي عدد كسري باستعمال القسمة. بعد ما أقسم وأطلع ناتج القسمة راح يكون هو العدد الصحيح، والباقي من ناتج القسمة راح يكون النومينيتر، والدينومينيتر يبقى مثل ما هو. Stay as it is. Let's solve some practice. Here I have how many all shaded parts I have? 1 2 3. So I write 3 and a fraction. How many shaded part I have? 1 2 for the numerator. For the denominator 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I read it as 3 and 2/6. Now here I have 1 2 3 4. I write 4 أكتب 4 العدد الصحيح، الأجزاء كلها ملونة. هسه راح أكتب الفراكشن الكسر. عدد الأجزاء الملونة عندي جزء واحد بس، one shaded part 1 2 3 على عدد الأجزاء كلياتها. راح أحللكم بعد. I'm gonna solve another example just like we say number 8. Let's solve number 8 here. 19 divided by 6. I write the number as a mixed, I change a fraction to mixed number. قلنا راح نسوي divide 19 divided by 6. 6 times what? I get number 19 or nearest to 19. I have to go to multiply with 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. So it's equal what? Is 3. Now 3 times 6 is 18 minus, here I have 1. So 19 divided by 6 equal 3. And the remainder is equal what? It is equal 1. Now, how I write a mixed number? For 19 divided by 6, as we said, the quotient it's gonna be whole number، يعني ناتج القسمة اللي يطلع هنا راح يكون هو العدد الصحيح، وأسوي الفراكشن. الريمايندر راح يكون for nominator remainder 1، و I write 6 a denominator as it is. That's the lesson for today. Thank you.